everyone. So today we are going to discuss about swapping in C. So basically you know swapping means. Swapping means interchanging values between two variables. So we are, for example, like we have A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 7. So at the end of the program we need as output as A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 5. So for getting this output there are two methods. Either use one extra variable like A, B and C, and using this variable you can interchange the values, or the second method is without using this third variable, just using this A and B only you can swap the values between A and B. So first we are going to discuss about the first type, that is using the third variable. So for now we will move on for using type 1. So in type 1 we will take one variable as, for example, temporary variable int temp. Okay, and we are taking two values as A is equal to 5 comma B is equal to 7. Then what we are going to do is we can put this A value into temp, and then we can put this A is equal to B, and now at last we can put B is equal to temp. So in this scenario what is happening? So you can move A to temp. If A is 5, then temp at this moment will get the value of 5. Then what is the value of B? B is 7. So we are moving the value of 7 to A, value of B to A. So now modified value of A becomes 7 and temp is holding the value 5. Now temp is holding 5, so we can transfer this temp value to B. So 5 is being transferred to B and 7 is replaced from B. So like this we can say there is 3 block of memory having A, B and temp. So A is having 5, B is having 7 and temp is having nothing, or you can say temp is having 0, garbage value or 0. So 0. So at first step we are moving A to temp. So A value is moved to temp and it is replaced by 5. So temp is holding 5 now. So in second step B is moving to A. So B's value is 7, that moves to A. So it gone transferred to A and A's value is replaced as 7. At last temp value is replaced to B. So temp value is transferred to B and you will get B as 5. So at the end what we are getting, A as 7 and B as 5.
And what is the value of temp now? Is 0.
So temp is holding that 5 only. It is just needed for that interchanging of A and B. We don't have to keep it up. So you can remove this now, as you have understood what is the scenario, and you can print F %D comma A comma B. As we are having main as integer type, so we are returning 0, and so this is how you can swap the values from A to B and B to A. So now we will move forward for type 2. Forward towards type 2. In this we are not going to use any temp variable. We are just going to use A and B variable, and using that only we are going to swap the values. So like previous one, we are going to take A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 7. So now A is equal to A plus B we can do. So A plus B, that is 5 plus 7, that is we have 12 stored in A. So now we can do as B is equal to A minus B. So what it does, this A is now updated its value as 12. So 12 minus 7, B is holding the value of 7. So 12 minus 7, that becomes 5. So B now is having the value of 5. So now B got the value of 5, but we need a as 7 now. So A is equal to A minus B. So A is having value of 12. It's not being modified anywhere now. So A is having 12 and B is having 5. So 12 minus 5, that becomes 7. So now you are having the A value as 7 and B value as 5. It is being interchanged. So now you can directly do printf %d A comma B and return 0. So you will get the output as A is having the value of 7 and B is having the value of 5. So that is for today. Now we will see another code in the next video.